Hello everyone, I'm Vanila. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos and for watching my older videos as well. So thank you very much. I appreciate that. And for today, I decided to have a try-on haul with a t-shirt. A white t-shirt which I wear sometimes at home, so that I can do a try-on haul on how I look in a t-shirt. And with my slippers, woolly slippers.
It's a lot. 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 Like.
So thank you for coming in to this channel and thank you for watching me. For watching and subscribing. See you soon in the next video. Bye.